Hi kids, I'm Johnny. Today I'm going to teach you the names of different shapes. We're going to look at circle, square, rectangle, and triangle. I'd like you to guess what the shapes above my head are. Let's see what we can create with them after. Can you help me out? Let's go. Do you know what this shape is? Do you know what it's called? Can you guess? It's called a square. This square has 4 edges. What about this shape? Can you guess this one? Do you know what this shape is called? This one has 3 edges. It's a triangle. Wow, you kids are smart. This is fun. Can you tell me what the next one is? This one has no edges. It's all round. Can you guess what it is? Yes, you got it. It is a circle. Can you tell me what the next one is? This one looks like a square, but it's longer. Can you tell me what it is called? It looks like a square, but it's a rectangle. A little bit longer than square. Rectangle. Can you see the difference? Let's say the names of these shapes one more time, okay? Square. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle. Let's see what we can make with these shapes. Oh, I know. This triangle can go on top of the square. This rectangle can go in the middle of the square. The circle can go in the middle of the triangle. What did we make? Yes, you're right. It's a house. We made a house. Woohoo! We did it. Thank you for helping me create a house with these shapes. Bye.